Cape Town braces for 9-hour water interruptions from tomorrow. Starting tomorrow, Tuesday, December 19th, the Water and Sanitation Directorate in Cape Town plans maintenance work, leading to water supply interruptions. The city aims to enhance long-term quality through several scheduled maintenance projects, as stated in their official release. Claremont-Hartfield Road between Main Road and Worcester Road, as well as surrounds, between 9 o'clock and 1800 hours on Tuesday, December 19, 2023. Claremont/Newlands, between Main Road, Albion Road, Rosendale Road, Rowcop Road, and including St. Andrews Road, as well as surrounds between 9 o'clock and 1800 hours on Wednesday, December 20, 2023. Ron Bosch, Milner Road, between Avenue de Mist and Cromboom Road, as well as surrounding areas between 9 o'clock and 1900 hours on Thursday, December 21, 2023. As the heat approaches, Cape Town urges everyone to fix leaks and use water wisely. Water is precious, and conservation is key. Compliance with rules, fixing leaks, and smart outdoor water usage are vital for conservation. The Water and Sanitation team monitors usage and dam levels year-round. Despite current dam levels of about 93.1%, Cape Town emphasizes ongoing water vigilance. Conservation is crucial, regardless of current perceptions of water security. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.